Prime Minister's COVID meeting with the Chief Ministers is underway, and just a while back, Delhi Chief Minister put forth the demand of oxygen for the national capital. In fact, I'm just quoting Arvind Kejriwal here. He raised the issue of oxygen shortage that is being witnessed in the national capital and asked the PM to take urgent steps over Delhi oxygen crisis. He also asked for a national plan and also asked the centre to take over oxygen plan via army. Also, Arvind Kejriwal went on to say that he requests the centre to guide states to not stop oxygen tankers. This statement comes in the wake of the tussle that was being witnessed between the state of Delhi and Haryana just yesterday, and after that this big statement coming in the meeting that is being chaired by the Prime Minister. Arvind Kejriwal raised the issue, and also he said that oxygen supply is not reaching Delhi, and Arvind Kejriwal also raised the issue of vaccine pricing. In fact, he also sought one nation, one rate policy as far as vaccine is concerned. In fact, let's listen in to what Arvind Kejriwal said.
इस वक्त दिल्ली के अंदर बहुत बड़ा ऑक्सीजन का क्राइसिस चल रहा है जिसमें आपकी मदद चाहिए। तो प्रधानमंत्री जी, सबसे पहले आपको धन्यवाद देता हूं कि केंद्र सरकार ने दिल्ली का ऑक्सीजन का कोटा बढ़ा दिया है। लेकिन सर, मैं आपसे हाथ जोड़ के प्रार्थना करता हूं कि इस बढ़े हुए ऑक्सीजन के कोटे को दिल्ली तक पहुंचाने में हमारी मदद करें। अगर दिल्ली में ऑक्सीजन की फैक्ट्री नहीं है तो क्या दिल्ली के 2 करोड़ लोगों को ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिलेगी? जिस राज्य में ऑक्सीजन की फैक्ट्री है, क्या वो दिल्ली की ऑक्सीजन रोक सकते हैं? ऐसे में हम क्या करें? आज ये जानना चाहता हूं कि अगर आज या कल या किसी भी टाइम हमारे दिल्ली के किसी अस्पताल में अगर 1 घंटे की, आधे घंटे की, 2 घंटे की ऑक्सीजन बच जाए और लोगों की मरने की नौबत आ जाए, तो मैं फ़ोन उठा के केंद्र सरकार में किससे बात करूं? सर, मैं ये जानना चाहता हूं कि अगर कोई राज्य दिल्ली के कोटे की ऑक्सीजन का ट्रक रोक ले तो मैं फ़ोन उठा के किससे बात करूं? हालत काफ़ी ज़्यादा गंभीर हो चुके हैं सर। हम अपने लोगों को मरने के लिए तो नहीं छोड़ सकते।
Let me go across to our correspondent Ayushman Kumar, who is joining us on the phone line to give more details on this. So Ayushman, big statement there by the Delhi CM in the PM meeting, and in fact the one big important point that he has raised is the tussle that is being witnessed between Delhi and Haryana over oxygen supply.
Yes, Gauri. In fact, you heard the clear words from the Chief Minister of Delhi, where he clearly said that there is no clarity as to which person is to be held responsible when the oxygen which is to be given from the private companies have to come to Delhi and they are being stalled in between. Who should be contacted? The state government doesn't have that clarity, and that is why he appealed the Prime Minister for a green corridor that should be made. How we have seen these hospitals continuously raising the alarm over the shortage of oxygen that we are seeing in the hospitals, Gauri. And that is something that was, in fact, displayed when the Chief Minister was speaking to the Prime Minister, that despite all the instructions from centre, you still don't know as to who is the person who will actually know that the movement has to be uninterrupted. The state governments blame the other state governments. There are reports of oxygen trucks getting stalled on the border. The clarity was needed from the centre on that. This is what the Delhi government said, and again appealed for an increase in the number of oxygen trucks being sent to the national capital.
Right, and also Delhi CM has raised this particular issue of oxygen shortage at a time when the Prime Minister himself is taking stock of the oxygen supply situation in the country. In fact, he has been holding meeting, and today, just later in today, he will be holding meeting with certain oxygen manufacturers as well.
Yes, and in fact, if you see, Gauri, in the past few days, be it the vaccine manufacturers meeting, be the criteria when the age criteria was brought down, senior officials meeting, it has been holding series of meetings. But the most important aspect of this entire fight against COVID drops down to one point of oxygen supply, because you are going to treat the people only if you have oxygen, and if you don't have, the scenario that you are seeing in the capital of India is something that you don't expect, because there are hospitals which are saying that they're not going to take admissions, they don't have oxygen, they have a stock of about 2 hours, Some have a stock of about 10 hours, and they are not being given a clear answer as to when the oxygen trucks will be reaching. So this is a scenario where nobody knows what is the entire state machinery and the central machinery doing, because the stakes are high here for a life of a person. We have seen the hospitals' SOS messages on oxygen, because currently, if you see the scenario, almost every hospital in the national capital is saying that they don't have the adequate stock of oxygen that they need to have, and fear COVID infection.
Right, Ayushman, stay with us. In fact, as Ayushman was pointing out, that this particular situation has actually exploded. The oxygen emergency is taking a big form in the entire country, and the worst hit seems to be the national capital, and that is why Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has raised this important issue in the meeting that is being chaired by the Prime Minister, and that meeting is underway currently, and the Chief Minister of Delhi said that centre has to come up with a national plan to ensure that there is uninterrupted supply of oxygen to all the states, and in fact also raise the issue of the tussle that is being witnessed between Delhi and Haryana over oxygen supply. In fact,